Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is Chris.
And Sue.
It's our time for the whiteboard again. Sorry first off if you hear any noise in the background, you probably will. It's the dishwasher. We didn't time this out very well. We're just gonna make it happen. It's gonna be quick and dirty, no problemo.
Alright, so this was January, which we'll link somewhere on card or info card or whatever. And we're gonna go ahead and erase all of the numbers and then we'll fill it in with February.
So we moved this month total over to the last month total. Here we go. First things first, the car is now $11,816.
Alright.
Next one's capital one, $5,025. First mark number two, $3,728. First mark three, $4,495. Discover, $5,774. Navient, $24,527. And the big news for us this month, the furniture store line of credit account is zero. That one got paid in full.
Be gone with you. Now we got all this room down here. Yeah.
Progress sure looks good. Next up, we have our student loan total, $38,524.
Alright, and then we'll go back up to the top.
This month's total is $55,365. Difference of $2,899. Total paid for the month was $3,197. It was a very aggressive month for us.
Mm-hmm.
And total lost to interest out of that was $298. And it really is nice to see that number staying pretty close to the same and really not being all that crazy anymore. So that's it. That's the whole whiteboard.
Perfect. And we'll check back with you guys for the next whiteboard in March. Well, first week of April for March.
So if you found this interesting, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so you can see our progress going forward, and we'll see you next month.
All right, bye.